What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Banks, back again with another video that I did not expect to make. So long story short, I was washing the car the other day and doing some TLC to the front of the car, and I noticed that one of the splitters on the front of the car was kind of loose. And when I say the splitter, I'm referring to this right here, the one on the driver's side. Up the top right here, you can see it's a little loose. So I took the car apart and did some investigating. Evidently at some point in time, someone must have walked past, not saying when I had it, could have been previous owner, but pants leg or something probably caught that, and when it snagged it, it broke the clip on the back of it. So no big deal. Figuring this probably happened to somebody else already, but so I contacted Chevrolet, ordered my part, came in today. I'm gonna put that part number down here in the description also. It's gonna be that 233-29726. That's the driver's side front Canard. That's the one for the driver's side. The passenger side has a different number, but it's a little plastic loop in the back that a clip slide through. That piece broke and the clip fell out, so that's why it's loose. Unfortunately, it can't be fixed, so you just have to replace the whole piece. And this piece cost me $85 for one, so they got it to me next day delivery, so I'm thankful for that. So what I'm gonna do today is go ahead and take it off, put the new one on. This fender, as you can see, right here, you got a screw here, screw here, screw here, here, and so forth. Those are T15s, so I'm just gonna take those out, expose the clips behind it. Once I unplug those clips out, it should just pull up and pull right off. We can put the next one on. I did order new clips from Chevy dealership. Those plastic clips were $8 for one. So I looked online, somebody cross-referenced the part, and it's the same clip that goes in a freaking old school Cherokee, believe it or not. Same piece that goes into an old school Cherokee is the clip that keeps these Canards on the front of a 2019 ZL1. So went to my local Dodge dealer. They had them in stock, and actually they looked out for me. These are the clips. He has several of them. Asked me how many did I need. He said they were $5 a piece. He went to the back, came back out, just told me I was good to go. Just put them in my pocket and have a good day. So he gave them to me for free. So can't argue with that, you know. That's why I always pay it forward when it comes to me and stuff. People look out for me, I look out for other people. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started on that, and I'll show y'all what I'm doing. Replace this front Canard. Alright, so about 15 minutes of scarring my arm up. As you can see, I got it off. Got it off the front there. This is the problem I was having, as you can see. This tab right here looks different than the rest of them. Flip on the back, bottom, you can see more. So that tab was causing that front corner to be loose. This is the brand new one right here. As you can see, all of the tabs are on there. So I just got to reinstall that new one. And these are the clips that come off of it. So yeah, so put this new one on and fasten her back up, and hopefully should be good to go. Clean off this surface a little bit. before I put the new one on. I'll get back to y'all once I fasten this back up, show you how it looks. Alright, so it's all back together. Like I said, as you can see, 6 clips on here. You can also, those clips that they charge, you can also find those clips on Amazon. They're like about $8 a piece from the dealership. Which are these? $8 a piece from the dealership. Or you can go on Amazon and get them for exactly $12 for a bag of 50. So it's up to you, depends on how urgent you want to fix your car or how much of a rush you're in. But it's all back together, and as you can see, it's tight, all back together. Just pops right in and clips go behind it. Fairly easy job. Like I said, these things do they crack. Like I said, you go to car shows and stuff, people walk past, leg hit them, paints get snagged on them, so things do happen, or debris from the road. But yes, they are changeable. Like I said, part numbers right here, as you can see, it's that 233 29 726, and that is the driver's side. The passenger side is going to have a different number, but I believe when you look on the parts diagram of the front bumper for the ZL1 1LE, it's going to be part number 23, and 23 has number 23, and 23 has 2 different part numbers for the left and right side. But yeah, that's about it, folks. I just wanted to give you that quick video on that, because like I said, I know I can't be the only one that ever had that problem with one of these front Canards. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. And like I said, shout out to my new subscriber. Thank y'all for rocking with me. More videos to come, and I'll keep you updated. Peace.